everyone, welcome to Miss May Bow Studio. If you like this video, subscribe for more hair accessory tutorials and ideas. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to make a super cute reindeer snap clip for Christmas using vegan leather. For this project, you will need a silicone nonstick mat, vegan leather snap cutouts, a liquid glue pen, fabric reindeer applique, a metal snap clip, and hot glue gun. Next, I will use my Cricut True Control knife to cut a slit in the faux leather for the clip to go through and insert my clip. For this step, you can also use your Cricut machine. When you're setting up the snap clip pattern in Design Space, just add a slit. Now I can adhere the vegan leather to my hair clip using my hot glue gun. For this type of material and best results, it's best to use Gorilla Glue and heat to 200 degrees Celsius. Put down either a non-stick glue gun pad or paper towel. I will start out by adhering my snap clip using my hot glue gun. Once you've adhered the metal clip to the bottom piece of your snap clip, you can grab the top piece and adhere the two pieces together. Press down gently to secure. Prep your reindeer applique by covering the mid-surface area with a thin layer of super glue. You can then place the reindeer in position on the largest part of the snap clip for adhering. Apply pressure to set the glue and secure the hold. And just like that, this reindeer hair clip is done and ready to go. Thanks for watching. I hope this video is the inspiration you needed to get started. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe for more hair accessory tutorials and ideas.